Hey yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how you can maintain those crispy and smooth, like seriously dude. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you guys how you can maintain those awesome dark and moody Instagram pictures for maintaining your Instagram aesthetic. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so let's hop right into it. So as you can see, this is my laptop screen. So I have opened up Lightroom and this is my picture. So what I'm gonna do is go to the develop module, and here you can see this is the picture. Okay, so this is a flat lay of a cooking book, a cup of coffee, a glass of coffee, and a ovo print. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, there are two ways you can get this. First is applying presets. So as you can see, I have some presets by North Landscapes, dark and moody plus 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 plus. So what the plus indicates is the intensity of how dark and moody your picture can be. So these presets can work sometimes, but a lot of the times you have to do it yourself. So to do that, just go to these basic color corrections, or I mean the corrections, and go down here. And what I like to do is mess with the vibrance first. So what vibrance does is it pops the color in your pictures. So if you just bump it up, as you can see, my picture became warmer, all the colors are popped. As you can see, the red is very red. Red is very red. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is suck out all the colors from this picture, because obviously it's dark and moody. That is self-explanatory, right? So just slide this down, and as you can see, when I slide it down, it becomes sort of black and white, but not fully black and white, because as you can see, there is still brown left in here. So I'm just gonna bump it up a little bit, and this is like it completely depends upon you how you want it. Okay, so I like to keep it somewhere between -40 and -50. -16 works sometimes, so it depends upon -10 and -40. So -26 it's very good. Okay, now we're gonna mess with the exposure. When you increase it, boom, the photo is super overexposed, and now it is very underexposed. So for a dark and moody kind of theme, we're gonna have to decrease the exposure. So right about here, it seems very fine. Now the contrast, yeah, that's fine. So 50% of the work is done here. Now we're gonna mess up with the highlights and shadows just a little bit, as well as the whites and the blacks. So blow up the highlights a bit, just to pop that white up of the tile, and then decrease the shadows. But as you can see, when I decrease the shadow, this ovo print became very dark. So what I'm gonna do is increase the blacks up a little bit, and increase the shadows up a little bit. Now as you can see, it is very fine. Okay, the second last step is to mess up with the saturation. So when you fully saturate the image, saturate the image, you can see it almost becomes the same. We don't want it, right? We want it dark and moody, so minimal colors. So just decrease the saturation. It seems fine right here. And then we're gonna go to the tone curve section. I'll not mess up with the curves. I'll just mess up with the sliders right here. So increase the highlights a little bit, increase the lights, decrease the dark right about here, and increase the shadows again. Let me just decrease the shadows. Okay, now this is the most important part, that is the vignetting. So what vignette does is that it includes a little bit of shadow to the corners of your frame, I mean the photo. So that gives a very good vibe for the image, and I love it very much. So there is two type of vignetting. One is white and the other is black. So we're gonna just scroll down to lens correction, and there we go, vignetting. So we got the amount and midpoint. I'm not gonna mess up with the midpoint, but the amount, when you drag it to the right, as you can see, we have some white vignetting right here. We want it black, dark and moody, black. Okay, So we're gonna just decrease this. Minus 60 seems fine. Okay, as you can see, I decrease it all the way -100 and it's very black. I don't like that. So about here, -61. This is good. So as you can see, this is the final image, and that was the image before on the left side of your screen, and on the right side is the after editing the image. So as you can see, this in this simple way you can turn any image into a dark and moody style of image. But I'm not still perfected in this art of making images dark and moody. It takes a lot of practice, and when you practice a lot, Lightroom can do a lot of things for you. So just practice it. Just do it. Like click photos, color grade them. I mean color correct them, and then edit them, and you're gonna have a crispy, smooth, fine, dark and moody, or any image you like. You can maintain your Instagram aesthetic anyway. You can get a blue kind of theme, a warm or cold, cooler kind of theme, dark and moody, anything. You can do anything. So that was all about this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and peace.